Hey there, Resilience Rockstars. Today we're talking about custom reports in Absolute because sometimes you just need to bend that data to your will, like a wizard compelling those unwanted columns not to pass. First up, organizing data. Let's begin by going to your device page. Click Edit Columns. Absolute tracks over 400 points of data, but choose carefully. You're only allowed 100 columns to level up your report. Drag columns in the order you want to see them in the report. Go above the line to pin them so they don't move later when you scroll. Create device groups to organize actions by campus, field tech zones, or grade levels. Finally, filter what you want to see, like device name contains student. Enter and apply. You can also view your organized data on a map by clicking this icon. Zoom in to see the satellite location of where devices may be. Now let's put that wizardry to work. Probably the most popular section in K-12 is the Chromebook categories. You'll search Chrome to see available columns for the Chromebook section. Most are taken from the Google Admin Console, or GAC. You can use the organizational unit or provisioning status to further organize your devices. Another great use case is end of life. In a perfect world, your warehouse or IT department would let you know when devices are being replenished. If not, you can use our reports to whip that data into shape. You can decide which devices to unenroll by checking things like activation date, which shows when the device first came online with Absolute. For example, if you know you purchase on a 4-year schedule, you can filter out devices with activation dates older than that. For Chromebooks, you can use Auto Update Expiration to filter out devices that Google will no longer be updating or supporting. Another choice is to filter by warranty end date. Best practice is to check the date a device last connected so you can work with the end user to swap if they're still using it, or purchase additional licenses so the device can still be covered. You'll also want to be sure to wipe those devices before selling to a third party. Also useful is creating a security posture report. Combine encryption status, already included, the last time it was updated, and the version. Add in anti-malware product name and the last time it was updated, along with the OS current build text and the update build revision text. Finally, you'll want to add the device location, city, state, and country to get a comprehensive view of your security posture, or pick and choose any of these categories important to your environment. Speaking of countries, another popular report is devices outside the United States. For this one, you'll want to filter by country does not contain United States and apply. Our unique position in the BIOS gives us unparalleled insight into applications installed on your devices. Doing an update and need to check the version of compatible developer platforms like .NET, put it all into one easily accessible report. Finally, you can go to the History section to audit activity on your devices. The Events section shows occurrences triggered by a user, the device, or the Absolute console. The default is the last 7 days, but you can update to view up to 365 days, depending on the activity. You can then filter by event is device volume nearly full, for example. Then save as a report. The Actions section shows actions requested in the Absolute console, such as adding or removing a freeze, performing a cryptographic wipe, running a script, deleting a file, unenrolling a device, sending an end-user message, or running a playbook. Completed requests can be viewed for up to 2 years. Those still pending will show for up to 5 years. Once your masterpiece looks correct, let's be sure you can get back to it. If you want these columns to be the same way every time you log into the console, just hit save. If you make a mistake, you can always reset to default later. If you don't want to change your default view, save as a report. You'll know it's a report instead of your default console view because it will have the name of the report instead of devices at the top. You can share reports with others who have permissions in the console, but you can't delete the ones somebody else has shared. Align with the stars for quick access later. If you need to show others your Excel formula mastery, it's time to export. Click the export icon, choose your file type and time zone. You can also click the 3 dots to export device usage. If you need to see the number of times the device has been unlocked, locked, and used for up to the last 30 days. From here, you can also change the name of your report, the description, and whether you want it shared with others or not. You can also delete your report if it's no longer needed. If you're anything like me, you'll forget to run these again unless the console politely nags you. Schedule reports to send daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose your file format. If it's daily or weekly, you can include the device usage details here. Select the time zone of the person you want to receive, then you can either add people that are in the console, or you can send it to a distribution list, or any other user that you wish. You can also choose to share this report with everybody from this screen as well. Save, and every Monday at 6 a.m., this report will go out with the device usage details. And that's how you create custom reports in Absolute. Your data, your way, with just enough magic to keep your sanity intact. Be sure to check out the Absolute Security YouTube channel and the K-12 playlist for more tips, best practices, and walkthroughs.